I've been having an intermittent no cranks problem, and so I'm going to show you what it is. Turn the key, nothing happening. Put it into neutral to check for the not being the neutral safety switch, and we still have the same issue. That means the starter solenoid needs to be replaced. So I'm going to change this in the auto parts parking lot. First thing, disconnect this battery. Real simple. First thing, pull this off. Next, this looks like it's a 9/16. Take these off. Next, just remove this. Looks like it's 5/16, 3 bolts. Just 2. There it is. Junk. Next, we just install the new one in reverse. I like to put a little dielectric grease on everything. That's optional, not necessary. You don't need to worry about that one right there, unless you have an older model. That's where the coil would connect. But this comes from the ignition, from the relay, and should work. Let's try it. Connected the battery. All right, give it a try. That was it.